use money to start a business. We gave you the money to start the business. We didn't see the money, we didn't see the business. Every time we give to solve a problem, you are not using the money for the purpose. Nobody should feel guilty for another person's outcome. People choose what they become. And there are critical seasons that if people are not serious and they miss that season, they may struggle for life. Anyone who has the opportunity to study should study. The one who has the opportunity to learn something should learn it. Failing to study and failing to learn something will make you poor. You have an uncle whose wife is telling you they've not eaten today. What's the job of the uncle? That statement the wife is saying, is it true? Or they've just found a Father Christmas? This guilt is the reason why when you enter a vehicle